G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's wetted, the white you can see is a light reflection. These are lower grade pieces and price reflects that. Good place to practice, good material to sort of practice on before you get something more expensive. Learn the techniques of polishing it because Boulder Opal is more difficult sometimes. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer so you can see each piece. Basically what you see is what you're getting, a bit of fire along the bottom there. Like I said, these are low quality pieces. The price reflects that. We've cut them down so freight isn't so much. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.